Hi everyone, this is Vidya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this coupon book for your dad on this Father's Day. So let's get started.
Now let's see the material required. I've taken a thick cardstock, a thick transparent sellotape, silver acrylic color, dishwashing liquid. I've just taken 1 teaspoon, brush, some pens and some embellishment.
So to begin with, I have taken that cardstock and I have cut it into 3 by 4 inches.
And on these cardstock, I have written the coupon text. These are a few ideas for coupons to make. A few coupon text you can use is make a lemonade for you, polish your shoes, watch a movie of your choice, you get the television remote control for 1 whole day, and I will listen to you for 1 whole day, I will clean a room of your choice, or maybe clean your desk, and so on. You can write whatever text you want. You can customize it according to your dad's choice. While making them, just keep in mind that your text should go in the center of the coupon.
Now using a transparent sellotape, I'm going to cover the text of the coupon. Make sure that you cover the whole text of the coupon. And I'm going to do that for all of them. Now I have taken 1 part of dishwashing liquid and 2 parts of metallic silver acrylic paint. I have mixed it thoroughly using a brush. And now I'm going to paint this on that sellotape which is covering the text of the coupon. Make sure that you paint an even layer. Hey guys, any of the newbies here? Consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified of all the videos I'll be posting. Now I'd let this dry and then I would paint the other side of the coupons as well. Once the first layer is dried, I'm going to go for a second coat so that the text is completely covered. If the text underneath is visible, you can go for a third coat as well. But for me, just the 2 coats have worked well, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And I'm going to let this dry completely. Until this dries, I'm going to work on my cover of this coupon book. So I've just taken a Project Life card in the theme of Dad, and I'm going to stick this to the cover of this coupon book. Now I've punched a hole on the top left corner of the main cover, the back cover and the coupons. And I've just inserted a key ring to hold all of this together. I've just added a small embellishment that says I love Dad. And then using a coin or any flat tool, your dad can then scratch this coupon and he can redeem it with you anytime he wants. This is one of those adorable gifts that you can give to your dad on this Father's Day. Try making it, and if you do, leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed today's video tutorial for this coupon book. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye.